It goes back to foundation. It goes back to foundation, to the bonding. It goes back to foundation on the structure that you created to that dog. It goes back to having that dog feel that you are the most important thing in his life. So no matter what happens in front of him, if I see that something's gonna happen that can trigger him to lose attention towards me, I will make a noise, I will call upon him, do something that he will understand, oh, I need to pay attention to you. So for that, you need to do obedience, but obedience with structure and positive obedience.